So there are some features, or I would say that some characteristics of a family accounting system. And what are those? They are the non-profit making organization. Of course, you are giving some input into your family, making financial plan, try to balance your income and expenditures. But you cannot, in feedback, you cannot expect to have a profit because it's a non-profit organization. Family, it's not an organization, it's just a family, right? So you cannot expect at a feedback you are getting some profit. As a feedback, you can only expect happiness, right? So from that the reason, this is the one of the features of family accounting system, that it's a non-profit making organization. Secondly, assumption of separate unit. Though like in business organization, there are some specific individual sections of expenditures and the unit or some department. But in family, sometimes it's not possible to maintain it appropriately. It may come suddenly, or it didn't happen ever, right? So actually we have to assume, not from that exact figure we don't know. We have to assume it that this in this field, our income can come or our expense can happen, right? We need to pay over these units. All right. Next, responsibilities. Your father, your mother, okay, they are your father, they are your mother, they are the elder. So this is their duty. They will have to do it. But as a children, we also have some duties. But we didn't ever feel for that because our mother, our father never ever said that before. They only pressurize for study. Oh, you didn't study, you didn't do that, do some study. All they say, it's all for us only, not for them. Trust me, not for them. So at the end of your education, once you will be established, once you will set your goal, you will catch your target life, you will see the happiness into their eyes. Trust me. So whatever they're saying right now to you, pressurize you to do study and all those things, it's for your betterment. Trust me, not for themselves actually. They are not feeling well to actually say you like this. So yeah, we have to accept that. So basically, what I was responsibilities. Yes. So this is their responsibility to give you proper education, to give you the food, to give you the shelter, and it's you have also some certain responsibilities, right? That you have to do. So from the responsibilities that accounting system came out for family, it's also the features of that system. All right. Next, cash transaction. Obviously, most of the time, what happen in family, rather than bank, mostly we transactions happen in cash, right? So this is one of the main characteristics. And the specific head, means same as accounting ledger, like cash. Under the cash accounting, head of cash accounting, all the cash transactions will be recorded. Under the head of bank account, all the bank transactions will be recorded. Under the head of expenses or salary expenses, all the salary will be recorded. Same thing as well, there should be a specific head. So basically these are some characteristics.